Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the major upgrades that are taking place at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. Now, the PAC Airport Limited, PACL, is spending US $140 million to upgrade this airport. So we're going to go through an article that gives more detail on what they're doing. Now, this airport is owned by the government of Jamaica. It belongs to the government of Jamaica or the people of Jamaica. But it is managed under concession agreement with PAC Kingston Airport Limited, known as PACL. Now, during that concession agreement, the operator operates the airport for a couple of years and will do upgrades and certain things that are outlined in the contract. And then they in turn collect the revenue from the airport, because every time people go through the airport, they're charged a fee, and they collect that revenue, and based on the agreement they have with the government, it is shared. So I just wanted to point that out, that although PACL operates the airport under the concession agreement, it is owned by the Jamaican government, and at the end of the concession agreement, the Jamaican government, through the Airport Authority of Jamaica, will take back over the operation of the airport, basically, unless they extend the concession agreement or put in another one. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the upgrades that are taking place here. The Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, is undergoing a major upgrade with over US $140 million earmarked for improvements over the next 5 years. The initiative, led by PAC Kingston Airport Limited, aims to modernize the airport's infrastructure and enhance the passenger experience. Now, the key upgrades and projects. 1. The runway and taxiways. Renovation work on the airport's runway and 5 of the 6 taxiways is a central focus, ensuring safer and more efficient aircraft operations. 2. The cooling system. That's basically the air conditioning system. A US $2 million project is underway to address issues with the airport's cooling system, providing a more comfortable environment for travelers. 3. Baggage handling system. The baggage handling system is being replaced at a cost of US $5 million, improving efficiency and reliability in luggage processing. 4. Restroom rehabilitation. Upgrades to the airport's restroom facilities are in progress, with completion expected by March 2025. 5. Public address and CCTV systems. A new public address system costing US $425,000 and an upgraded CCTV camera system costing US $400,000 will enhance communication and security throughout the airport. 6. Accessibility enhancements. New escalators are being installed at a cost of US $1.8 million, and 4 existing escalators are scheduled for replacement by the end of this year. The projects, which began recently, are scheduled for completion by 2029. This comprehensive upgrade reflects PACL's commitment to improving the Norman Manley International Airport as a key transportation hub for Jamaica, aligning with international standards for efficiency, safety, and passenger comfort. The investment underscores the airport's role in facilitating economic growth and supporting tourism in Jamaica. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.